This is a video that I didn't want to make for a very long time, but it's only been a month and it's unfortunate that I have to make this video. Well, let's get my day started. So I did get something in the mail, which is great news, I guess. Sort of, even though I can't use it because my mod broke. Hopefully I don't get any broken bottles, because that seems to be a monthly reoccurrence. Stickers, menu, rating card. Rating card I never use. Okay, so no broken bottles, which is good. That's really good. Really good. So, we're finally to the point where the secret that I have with my build, I have to reveal now. And earlier in the month, I put in the coolant in here, which is still cool, by the way, but having residue build up in my loop. And I thought about it as like, I've done everything they recommended. I mean, it was a fresh build, so it had no prior coolant in it other than distilled water. But I'm getting buildup around the fittings and on my GPU block, and I can only imagine there'll be some in the radiator and the CPU block. It just comes with the territory. That's why I have gone out and bought Reboot, because I need to flush out this whole system, take it out, clean it. I'll go ahead and drain this out once I get back, because it is a really nice day out and I want to go wash my car. So the way I'm gonna do this, first I have to turn off the system, of course. So let's go ahead and do that. And once that is off, I'll go ahead and hook up that one extra fitting that I got to the drain port, so I get all this fluid out. Well, as much as I could anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna keep filling it up with distilled water until the whole loop turns clear. Then I'll be able to take this whole loop out. Okay, so I've been draining and filling for several minutes now, and I got most of the view out. You can still see there's still leftovers in there, but it'll trickle out eventually. You can see where at the fittings, the staining and the buildup against the clear distilled water. Yeah, that sucks. I don't know if those bubbles are part of it. They're not. So I'll do this a couple more times. and hopefully I'll get the res all cleared up. I was able to get most of the coolant out. I don't know if you could tell through the camera, but the tubes are stained, and I think this res is stained, and that's pretty bad. You can see how chalky it is, how chalky the tubes are, especially on like the backside or the underside of the tube. That's no good. So now that I have most of the coolant out, I'll go ahead and shut this off and take everything out. But I do need a computer to be running, so if anything, I'll put in my 980 Ti back in here. Oh wait, I sold that to Omar. Ah shit. Okay, so I guess I'll throw in my 660 Ti in here. And I still have my old Kraken CPU water block coolant setup kit thingy, so I'll throw that on. That way I'll have a running computer while I flush this whole system out. I'm scared by that GPU block though. That thing looks messed up still. I'll go ahead and end this video here. I hope you enjoyed it. You know, do the things people tell you to do, subscribe and stuff like that. Peace, patch.